How to store raw sweet potatoes for 40 or more days. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the wonders of storing raw sweet potatoes for 40 days. It may seem like a daunting task, but with the right techniques, you can ensure that your sweet potatoes stay fresh and delicious for over a month. Stick around as we explore on how to store a superfood that is not given the attention it deserves. The sweet potatoes. Hit that subscriptio button and give this video a thumbs up if you love sweet potatoes and other mouth-watering delicacies and free recipes. First and foremost, it is crucial to choose the right sweet potatoes for storage. Look for ones that are firm, with smooth skin and no blemishes. These will have a better chance of lasting for an extended period of time. Select firm, unblemished sweet potatoes without any signs of decay or damage. Opt for varieties with smooth, unbroken skin. Once you have selected your sweet potatoes, it is time to prepare them for storage. Start by cleaning them thoroughly, removing any dirt or debris. Do not wash before storage. Avoid washing sweet potatoes before storing them, as moisture can promote mold growth. If they are dirty, gently brush off excess soil before storage. Then, dry them off completely before placing them in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated area. Store sweet potatoes in a cool, dry place. A dark pantry or cellar with good ventilation is ideal. Avoid storing them in the refrigerator, as the cold temperatures can alter the taste and texture of sweet potatoes. Ensure you maintain a consistent temperature. Keep the storage area at a consistent temperature between 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 to 16 degrees Celsius, for optimal preservation. Avoid extreme temperature fluctuations. To maximize the shelf life of your sweet potatoes, consider storing them in a mesh bag or a wooden crate. This will allow for proper air circulation, preventing them from becoming too moist and developing mold. Keep sweet potatoes away from direct sunlight to prevent them from sprouting or developing green spots. Use ventilated storage containers. If using containers, make sure they are well ventilated. You can use mesh bags, baskets, or wooden crates to allow air circulation. Use a storage container or a mesh bag that allows for airflow. It is also important to check on your sweet potatoes regularly during the 40-day storage period. Remove any potatoes that show signs of rot or decay to prevent them from spoiling the rest of the batch. Inspect sweet potatoes periodically for any signs of decay, mold, or sprouting. Remove any spoiled or damaged potatoes to prevent the spread of decay. By following these guidelines, you can help extend the shelf life of raw sweet potatoes for up to 40 days. Remember to regularly check their condition and consume any that show signs of spoilage to prevent it from affecting the rest of the batch. If you follow these simple steps, you can enjoy the delicious taste of sweet potatoes for weeks on end. Not only will you save money by buying in bulk, but you will also have a convenient and healthy option for meals and snacks. So, I urge you to give it a try. Store your raw sweet potatoes for 40 days and see the benefits for yourself. With a little bit of effort and the right storage techniques, you can enjoy the natural sweetness of this versatile vegetable for an extended period of time. If you are a fan of mouth-watering delicacies and free recipes, don't forget to hit that sub button and give this video a thumbs up and also ring the notification bell for alerts whenever we bring a new recipe. Until next time, bon appetit.